Once a friend of mine, this must have been about 2014, he called me and said, "Hey, have you heard about Bitcoin?" And that changed everything for me. So we started a crypto business together, and then I was like, I don't want to be an academic, I want to be an entrepreneur. I'd say the biggest area where it's having innovation is in the underbanked community, the unbanked and underbanked. So people who don't even have banks or don't have as much access as other people, they have an opportunity to invest in crypto and to have a way of sending money easily and affordably to other countries. I think that's a good example of like the kind of innovation that'll happen in the coming years. It'll be a lot of like decentralized cloud applications, machine learning, just connecting like the crypto space with these powerful compute platforms. The oil of the drone industry, it's kind of like the commodity that powers the industry. I think from a societal level, we're kind of reaching a tipping point of competing worldviews, and I think we'll have a bubble. It'll kind of equilibrate, and then we'll reach the next level of maturity and innovation.